Alicia and I are back with our health tips and tricks, and today we're talking about cough etiquette. So when you're a little kid, you have a cold, you're coughing and sneezing all over your family members, your family told you to please cover your mouth. But we're just here to remind everyone that in the event of spreading further infection, we want you to remember to cover your mouth with your elbow. So if you feel a cough or a sneeze coming, you just cover your mouth. And that's today's health tip and trick for today and cough etiquette.